Welcome to Adventure Vault. If you think Qatar is just about skyscrapers and luxury shopping, think again. Today, we're diving into 5 unique things to do in Qatar that will make your trip unforgettable. Let's get started. First up, did you know Qatar has stunning natural landscapes beyond the desert? Head to Thakira Mangroves, where you can kayak through beautiful green waterways, spot flamingos, and soak in the peaceful vibe of nature. It's the perfect escape from the city's hustle. Next, get ready for an adrenaline rush. A desert safari is a must, but why not take it up a notch with overnight camping under the stars? Ride over towering sand dunes, experience traditional Bedouin hospitality, and wake up to the golden hues of the desert at sunrise. Deep in the Qatari desert lies a hidden gem, Film City. This eerie, abandoned village looks straight out of a movie, but its origins remain a mystery. Some say it was built for a film production, while others believe it was meant to replicate an ancient Arabian village. Either way, it's a surreal spot worth exploring. Art lovers, this one's for you. Tucked away in the middle of nowhere, Richard Serra's East-West/West-East is a mind-blowing art installation. These towering steel structures stand dramatically against the endless desert, creating an experience that feels both futuristic and ancient at the same time. Last but not least, how about dining with a 360-degree view of Doha's skyline? At 360, the revolving restaurant inside the Torch Hotel, you can enjoy world-class cuisine while slowly rotating above the city. It's an experience that blends luxury with breathtaking views. From desert adventures to hidden gems, Qatar is full of surprises. Which of these experiences would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic travel content from Adventure Vault. See you in the next adventure.